Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel, or the series I should say. Today my mom is trying on dresses. She's got to say yes to her dress. So first up, we're at David's Bridal. There was some cute ones that I seen here when I came to order my sister's dress, and I was like, yo mom, you have to come try on like these dresses, like they're really cute. Plus my mother-in-law wants some dresses as well, so she was telling me to kind of look out and see if there was anything for her. So that's currently what we're doing today. I'm looking for dresses for my mom's. So mommy's in the change room right now. She in there. So I'm just waiting for her to come out. This is my fit for the day. I don't know why I look so fat now, but yeah, you know, we say authentic. Y'all, I'm dropping a couple pounds, you know what I'm saying? Hey, wanna not put on the frock yet? So we're just waiting for them to come out. I need a robe. I haven't found a robe yet, but I need a robe. I know what I want it to look like, but I haven't found it yet. Oh, this is cute. I woke up like this, married. Here's cute. I need honeymoon stuff too. It's cute. This leather jacket is cute.
If possible.
Una need help? So cool coming in here and seeing all the brides. Mommy, come in my seat. Oh, Auntie, I can't walk. That's okay. Look on the sticker. It's okay, you can pass. Look on the sticker at the side, child. The tag at the side. That's what I was saying, 18. Wow, how you feel? Come walk out. Walk out. Look in the mirror. Close the door, Shia. Look on her. You should have seen her face when she called tonight. I like it.
How are you doing so far?
Huh? I'm recording it, yes. It's okay, you can pass. Go ahead. No worries.
Like it?
You like that one?
Super cute.
Yeah, I like that. That's cute. With a little girdle. With a girdle. Yeah, and a girdle. Yeah, you're gonna still need some Spanx. That's okay, you can pass.
We all do.
Exactly. I will be wearing Spanx as well. Exactly.
I might have one. So there's two versions of all of the sizes and certain styles.
Okay.
There's like the 18, and then there's the 18 women's cut, which just has more room in like the hair and the bust.
Okay.
Without being a full size.
Right.
So maybe I'll see if I have one.
If you do, yeah, absolutely.
I'm gonna check for you.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, so I'm gonna try that one.
Okay, hold on, let me take a picture. Wait, Kubati, Jesus, never go there. Come here. Let me see your dress, right? Let me see. Girl bites. It's girls. Come, let me see it. So it's special. Oh, sure. You go take 5 minutes? Alright, me come back and bring it to you. No, seriously, me come back and bring it to you. They'll come back and bring it to you weekend. They'll come back and bring it to you come off weekend. You're working Saturday? Alright, I will be here 10:30. It will, if I not see you, it will be at the front. Okay.
No, that one is outside.
It's the 18? Yeah, so it doesn't show up so much like the other one. I like it. I like it.
I remember I'm not gonna have this on, so the pants.
Right. So what you have on the pants still? You're different, bad. You keep on the pants for trying the dress? It's okay. Okay. It's okay, go ahead. I like it, Mom. How you feeling it? Well, the mother of the bride should feel a little bit rich. No, that's fine. I'm just keeping it to show you the difference of how the 16 and this looks. Is this the 18 regular or 18W? No, it's the 18 women's. Because you're curvy, so that's why she said this one would fit you a little bit better. She likes it. She said she feels rich.
It's very elegant.
Exactly. Exactly. That's exactly the vibe. Good. Yeah, I like this one. You see? Okay, go. Put on the other one. How do you like it? I like that they have the splits. Me know. It's nice though. I like the split, me not lie. Me just have something with splits. Me just feel like your leg for sure as a woman. Your leg for sure. It's nice. Turn around. It's okay, you can go ahead. It's drawn. We drew up the zipper the whole way. Yeah, it has a nice little thing on the back too. Wow. It's nice, Mom.
Sorry.
It's nice. I like this. This would be option 2. How much was this one? I mean, I like all 3 of them actually.
I gotta look at the tag one more time. I've got a terrible
A49.
6646.
You're welcome. You guys, look at my mom. She looks so good. Turn around, mommy. Do a spin. Yes, girl. And you're just glistening. I love that. Like, yeah, that's pretty. Turn around. Turn. Keep going. Boy, your mother all need clip people because she'll lose weight. Talk to me nice. Look on the split at the back. Wow, look on my mother body. And this some I get it from. A year some I get it from. You see the sink? Yeah, a she I get it from. Look at that. Wow. Turn around. Wow. She's the award winner. Wow. Collect your award, goodie. Wow. Love it. Hey, Shia. I don't know what this lady thinks she's gonna find a dress for $50. You're the mother of the bride. Yeah, right. Okay. It's nice. Yeah, I like this. Wow. Deli, I go say, whoa, look for my ex-baby mother. What do you mean? Where's my phone? Oh, this eyes.
I should show you that to say stand up on podium. Wow. How is my belly? I feel like my form is good.
Wow, yeah. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. We'll not get it to the side because your head too heavy. Oh, yeah. Let me get the back. I almost tried. Alright. Next. Thank you. Next. Get your time to shine, girl.
This is a 20. That's why it's big. 18? Yep. Not in the same dress.
Whatever's there, that's it.
Yeah.
So we're at store number 2. We're trying on more dresses for my, well, no, this is the 3rd. The other one, we didn't see anything. We didn't even try. Yeah. She just tried on one. She somewhat likes. I kind of see the style what she like. She likes, Kasha, you notice the style and what she like? Like something on her shoulder and like off the shoulder kind of style with cleavage and stuff. I don't know who my mom thinks she is. My mom is almost 70 years old.
She looks good.
What she do a show cleavage? You understand? She have grand pitney. Soon great grand. You soon get great grand. Yeah, you stay there. And all these things, but it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. Kasha, you need to come look and see if you don't see no dress here. Because $50?
When's the wedding?
July. Very soon.
I think I got it. You got it? Okay.
Shy, I found a 16.
Okay.
But I know you're gonna be like, oh, I don't like it.
What color is it?
It's like a champagne-y kind of color, like beige. Look. It looks almost like the curtain.
I don't like that.
See, I told you, but you can't say that because you never tried it. Just because how it looks on the hanger doesn't mean how it's gonna look on your body. Yeah. Oh, absolutely vomitrocious. I don't know what's wrong with these kids of today, these teenagers. They feel like they know everything.
If she did want to get a bridesmaid dress to order, she would have to do it like today, tomorrow.
Yeah. I know, because even my bridesmaids, their dresses, it took like, what, 16, 18 weeks?
Yeah, it takes 4 months, and now because of the whole issue
With the China. Yeah, exactly. Everything's taking even longer. These people don't understand.
This one too small, I guess.
I don't like it.
Small?
What do you think? I don't. I like everything but this.
This one, not it. Not at all. It's a good thing it never fit. Not it. Shai, what about this? Yes, and you could wear a nice belt. Try it when you're done. $50, little girl? Oh. You guys, this salon, this bridal store, don't mind my toes. I haven't done them since December. I'm waiting for the wedding. But they have their own sandals. That's so cute. Oh my God. Okay? Okay, the experience, okay? The experience. That's the one to you and Brazier. Wow, this one's actually nice, Mom. I like how it has a lot of activity going on, you know? Yeah, this one said, wow, me is important. How you feel in it?
I like that one better.
I feel about support. Can't they serve replaceable stuff?
Right.
And then I can
Hold this. Hold this, guys.
Sorry.
Come on, assistant.
Good job.
Okay. All right. You're not gonna take up the whole of my time with the photographer, though, you know, because I'm like a year a day.
It looks like, you know, in the awards when they do zoom in on the like people's dresses,
Yeah.
their outfits, and they're spinning and
That's
they do
what
it
I'm saying,
slow
she
mo.
just-
That's how she looks.
She's just slow mo and like
Yeah.
she did a photo shoot. Watch out, she crisscrossed
On the
it up
carpet.
something.
Yeah. Let's see the back.
Yeah. See, this time around, Mom, the dresses are so much better. Yeah. Yeah. This is it. I like this. How much is this one? Box cover. That's cute. I like it though, cause it's so different. Hey guys, mother of the dress shopping. Yeah. We're getting closer to the time. Getting closer to the time. We're getting closer to the time. I'm getting married, bitches. I'm getting married. I'm getting married. I'm getting married. I'm getting married. Okay, bye. Laura Genevieve, wow. You feel like the mother of the bride? You feel like the mother of the bride?
Shut up.
Oh, you mean? All right, no bother come. Don't bother come. Take it off. Your invitation declined. don't bother come. Don't waste your time.
And you will marry her. I'm going to show up with run and say, oh, my mom in the hospital.
Yeah, he
okay,
did.
Okay, Joy, let's do it another
Yeah, he
day.
did. Mona said, Joel, come hurry up and say I do. We don't have to have a reception. Come. Nothing else stop me from say I do. Remember me tell you that. I'll let me have 1 foot. Me up. Down the aisle. I do.
Okay.
Okay. You want to try back on that one again? Just to make sure? I like this one and I like that one. I do like this one, but
I
it's not.
love that one.
It's not really gold.
I think she likes this one more because she feels more comfortable in it.
Definitely.
I love that one.
Sorry for you. This one is not gold, baby. It's more of a like a rosy.
Yeah, it's like a mocha brown.
Yeah. If it was gold, I would have said okay, but
Let me
You like that one better?
if I find something.
okay. He's a real Jamaican. This lady said, "Can I get the other one for this price?" No, mom. I think this one will suffice. This still kind of looks like mom. Not kinda. This still looks like a mom dress. You know, not everyone's gonna come with bling on their frock.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? So
And then if they do, you'd be like, well, your seat's in the back.
yeah, and it's not gonna be gold anyways, because I told them they can't wear gold or champagne. So, mom, are you saying yes to the dress? It's not up to me. Perfect.
No hotness, no nothing. I'm just free.
Can I see you take your shirt off though? Can I see it with your shirt off? Your shirt off, like, cause the red underneath is like throwing me off.
Take it off.
Yeah. Yes. I can't stand you. I like it. I like it. I like it. Look at yourself. Take time. Yes, girl. And your back look clean. Who can talk to you? 60 way. 60 out of weird touch. Yes, because I take a picture properly and send it to me, goodie. Look at your body, goodie. Oh, God. Wow, Delhi is going to drop down.
Stop it.
Delhi is going to drop down, oh. He's going to say, what did I give up? Where I met my mother spin wrong like she don't have no sense.
I don't have no like space.
So, are you saying yes to the dress?
Yep.
Ah, she didn't even say yes. She said yup. Yes, girl. All right.